So I'm here at a project Baylor Brothers is done here. We're at a cemetery and there's a nice little memorial that's being built here for the veterans. So we're trying to get this done by Memorial Day. And we're showing here a hybrid edging. And the base that we used here is an ASTM 2940D. So that's your dense grade hard packed gravel. And then over the top is 1 inch screeded of number 8 stone. So that's like your 3/8 chip stone. And we've really gotten away from all our C33 sand on all our applications. A lot more stable. We just found a better draining, less chance of efflorescence, so a lot of advantages there. So what we've done is obviously pavers are laid. We've cleaned away our stone off of the base, and we're going to start with our hybrid edging. So with our hybrid edging, a couple problems that we had in our industry. 2 major problems. With a dense grade base like we're doing today, we see a lot of uplift with that edging over time. Freeze-thaw cycles, the spikes are straight. So very easily in a freeze-thaw cycle you get movement, and sometimes that edging can get hung up and then stay up, and all of a sudden you got that edging showing on top of your pavers, which is pretty unsightly. The other problem we have in the industry is with open grade base, there's really no great solution for being able to tie your edging in without having it just floating. Because of the clean stone base, the spikes hold very little in a clean stone base. So we created it with the V, with our hybrid stake. And again, it's a nice wide stake. So when you drive it down in, that's gonna eliminate that lateral shift. So 2 problems we've solved with 1 edging, which we're really excited about. And again, the spike flange goes in on a 60-degree angle. So this is on 60 degrees, and we're gonna go every other one. So I'm gonna go this way, then I'm going to switch and go this way. Then I'm going to switch and go this way again. So I just go every other, and literally what I'm doing is I'm stitching this base, or the edging, down into my base, and that's going to prevent that uplift over time. And using our quickie hammer with our hammer drill, SDS Max, it makes it pretty simple for driving these spikes into a hard compacted base. I'm going to skip 1 hole, and I'm going to jump to the next. I'm going to reverse. Skip again, another bay. So nice and rigid. Now we're doing a straight one. If I was to do curves, I'd snip here, here, and depending how gentle or how radical the curve is, depends on how much I cut. I also have an option of cutting these 2 flanges and this point here if I have something really dramatic with a real sharp curve. So very easy to use. So something else to think about when you're installing an edging like this, with our spikes going in at opposing angles and stitching it down into our base, you think about how stable of an edging that creates. In our industry, many times, contractors are going back to existing jobs, trying to clean out underneath that edging, get it back down, re-spike it, re-stake it in, again, to eliminate that edging sticking way up above your pavers. So if you think about the time savings with our edging, the hybrid edging, hitting them in opposing angles, stitching it into our base, you don't have to worry about those callbacks.